So we're going to take a break, and during this break, we thought it would be useful to set up a frequently asked questions page of DAS that would be publicly available. And so during the break and anytime during this workshop, we're going to have kind of a public aggregated FAQ page here. So in the chat, you should have just received this link. I'll put it on the Slack too. And at the start, we'd like to just kind of ask questions. So this is the Q side of the FAQ. Just go ahead and click on to this. I'll share my screen to show you what this looks like. Okay, so you should be able to log in here and just start asking questions. Like, people are doing it already. Look at that. We have 50+ people here. Just, you know, what is gauge length? What is the difference between channel separation and gauge length? All the questions that are being asked that you feel like we're not doing a good job of answering, just put them in here as the Q side of this FAQ. And then later in the workshop, we can worry about the answering, but just stay in the question mode for now and just go to that. Secondly, well, there's a million people doing that. I'll give you something else. So this is we're gonna have a day 3 for lightning talk. So if you wanna share something about your research on DAS, sign up here. I'll drop this into the link into the chat also. So you can put your email address, your name, and then an area of interest that your DAS research falls into. So for folks that are already working in DAS and wanna kind of just show a 2-minute, up to 1 to 3 slides of DAS. This will be kind of for the final day. We'll start on day 3 next week, looking at kind of just an aggregated, you know, quick lightning through as many as we can get through in a couple 30 minutes slot. So go ahead and sign up here, and then send your slides, your 1 to 3 slides, to this link here. This email by 3 p.m. Eastern on Saturday, and then we'll create one big slide reel and go through it next Monday, and we'll post that order beforehand. So yeah, so check out the FAQ page, write in some questions, and sign up for a 3-day lightning talk. And if you have any questions, email this link, dasworkshop@iris.edu.